I'm Dineth.
Today, we are going to present the next generation of
So let's focus on a common situation. So suppose you want to buy a common specific brand of T-shirt. So it might be an urgent situation. What will you do? You will definitely go to Google and search about that product. So will it provide a accessible, which means suitable location to access your item more quickly, or will it provide the item availability in shops? So let's see.
Oh my gosh! It says there are no such shops in Molatua. But is it true? Isn't there even a single shop in Molatua to buy a shirt of that specific brand? No, there are plenty of them. But why couldn't you find them in internet? That is because most of the shops don't have financial capability to maintain their website and database. Don't worry, we have the solution. Team Intelligent proudly present Rapido Shopping.
Let's see what our solution is. We are providing in our website. The shops will have to register in our website with their unique mobile number and selling item category and selling item types, and we will also take the contact details of the shop also, and also the shops will have to subscribe to our service with a unique mobile number.
On the other end, the customer will be able to access our system with a simple USSD code. This will be able to close their required item category and item type. Finally, they will be able to send a brief description of their item.
Once the USSDs come to our system, we will process the USSD according to the category and type, and we will find the shops in our database which are registered with us, and we will filter the shops according to the customer location, which the customer who is searching about the item. So from that, we will inform the shops which are near to the customer, and as soon as we get the replies from that shops, we will inform the customers about that particular shop that item is available.
Let's see a simple demonstration of our system to have a good idea. Makes our system unique. The killer feature of our system is location-based searching system. When we use actually only the mobile phone with a GSM connection.
So is our solution marketable? Our target is small level shops and mid-range shops. According to International Finance Corporation records, small and medium enterprises account for about 90% of business and more than 50% of employment worldwide. They are key engines of job creation and economic growth in developing countries, particularly following the global financial crisis. Our system is cost-effective, productive, and simple. Also, our system is a substitute for a website which are far more better. On the other hand, we will provide monthly report for shops about the searchings of buyers around the shop, which will lead the shop to take strategic decisions for their future business plans.
In our system, we have used SMS, LBS, USSD, and subscription API of Zenith Mobiles. I hope all of you got a better idea of our solution. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.